Welcome back to the channel. Like, subscribe, comment. In this video I will show you how to replace a door lock actuator on a 2020 Corolla, 2020 and up Corolla. I'm gonna get it out from there, but for example, for the driver's side, the passenger side is exactly the same. Come here behind the door handle, you have a little cover. Remove that cover, just pry it from this side here. There is a Phillips screw behind it, just like this. Then you go ahead and put the little flat head under this handle, door handle cover here. You pry this away. You will go ahead and expose now two Phillips screws. Remove those. Now that these two screws are removed, I will take it with two hands, but give it a pull, just like this. Comes out from the clips. Lift it up a little bit, and your door panel comes off. There's a connector there you can remove. Here you have your door lock and your door handle harness cables. Remove those. Next, come here and remove two connectors, one here and one back here. Let's see. Come on. Where's the tab? There you are. Wiring harness is removed. Let's place this door panel on the side. Now you expose this cover here. There is some locking tabs, counterclockwise here, counterclockwise here, and here. A little pull handle that pops those locks out. Place them on the side for now. Okay. This one comes off. This one comes off. These cables run through. Place this on the side now. Over at the door itself, you have three Torx 30s holding it. You have a connector up here. Disconnected connector here. There we go. Now we can go ahead and do our three number Torx 30 screws to release that door lock actuator. Okay, that's the inner view, inside view of that lock. There is this metal rod here that works as a release. It pushes down when you're pulling the door handle from the outside. On the side of your door, on the driver's side, there's a little covering cap which will give us access to the screw T30. That's for the exterior lock, for the key blade. On the inside of the door handle, outside door handle, you find these tabs here. Press them together and pull it back. That will release the exterior door handle. Now you can pull it, open up, pull it out, just like this. Place that one on the side here. That will help us remove that key locking mechanism here for now, until we install our new actuator. Okay, now it's time to pull our old and faulty actuator out. We have to open this little door here. We have to take those cables and transfer them over to the new one. Okay, now that the little plastic doors are opened up, make sure, I think there is only one way. You can't even, there are different fittings that go here and the other one, the ball that goes on the bottom, so you can't mix them up. So let's go ahead and transfer those cables to the new one. New cables transfer the door. Let's go ahead and slide it back into the door. So before I put it in, I'm just gonna show you. Here's a metal rod that's gonna push down on the back side, right here where that hole is. So when you're putting it in, make sure you get your metal rod positioned into that hole here, so your door handle functions properly. That's pretty much where it has to be in order for you to slide the rod in. You can barely see, you can see from this hole there is our rod, and that's where it needs to go. So it's a good window to take a look where exactly that door handle rod needs to go. Okay, now our lock is back on the door. We can go ahead and take the door lock mechanism. There is a little Phillips hole that has to match the end of this, so we're gonna go ahead and slowly slide it in there to make sure our door lock, there you go, just like this. We have a Torx 30, screw that back in. Torx 30 is screwed back in. Now it's time to slide our exterior door handle. As you see, slide it in, wiggle a bit, and it's back on its place. Now you come to the inside, lock, there we go, push these back, they're locked in. Now you can already go ahead and connect this connector here. Now that we're all done on outside, I want to make sure I test this door handle, make sure this metal rod is actually opening. There you go, all functions well. You can take this torque card here now. There's a hole, that's where our cables go through. Cables pulled through. Now we have 3 locks from counterclockwise to clockwise. Locks that plastic panel. Okay, done with that. Next we can go ahead and take our door panel, connect those to the handles, connect these to the window regulator. Okay, our cables are put back. Reinstalling the cover. The top part goes in first. Push the top in so it's hanging here. Try to align the clips if needed. Just check it from the side here where the holes go, match the holes. Couple taps. Okay, that's that. Now we have 3 screws, 2 of these going in the door handle area here, the bull handle. Screw that back in. Let's screw that one in. Put our beauty cover back on. Okay, all 3 screws are back in. Time to install our little beauty covers. These things just clips in by pushing, just like this. And we have this door handle trim. You can see this plastic just slides in here. And we're done on this side. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment for more videos like this.